Let's sketch 2x plus 1/2 equals y over 3. We can do so by multiplying both sides by 3. And we now recognize that y over 3 becomes y, 2x times 3 is 6x, and 1/2 times 3 is 3 over 2. We have the slope of 6 and a y-intercept of 1.5. Here's the graph. There's a point here, and this line is quite steep. Now, how do we convert this into standard form, ax plus by equals c? General form is ax plus by plus c equals 0, where standard form we simply have the constant on the other side of the equal sign. Let's multiply both sides by 2. We have 6x becomes 12x, and 3 over 2 becomes 3, and y becomes 2y. Let's throw the constant over. Positive 3 becomes negative 3, and we'll throw the 2y over. We get 12x minus 2y equals minus 3. And we can confirm that the a value indeed is greater than 0. So this here is our standard form.